Hi everyone, welcome to our channel App Onlys. On today's tutorial, I will guide you what does red hot means on Snapchat. To know what does that red hot actually means on Snapchat, we need to head into the Snapchat application and make sure to log in on your Snapchat account. Then you need to tap on the upper left corner Bitmoji. Once you reach on this page, tap on the upper right corner gear icon. When you reach on the settings page, you need to scroll down and under privacy control, you can see customize emojis option. Simply tap on it. So when you reach on this page, you can see the custom emojis that has been set on the Snapchat. On the second option, you can see the red heart, which means BFF. So it says that it appears next to your best friend when you are also their best friend for 2 weeks in a row. And on the first option, there is Super BFF, which shows the two red hearts. That means that it appears next to your best friend when you are also their best friend for 2 months in a row. So if you have got the single red heart next to your friends, then it can be known that you have been best friends for 2 weeks in a row. After that, if you have got two red hearts next to your friends on the Snapchat, then you can know that you have been their best friend and they have been their best friends for 2 months in a row. This red heart simply appears when you guys are the best friends on the Snapchat and you send more and more snaps on the Snapchat. This is how you can simply know what does red heart means on the Snapchat. Hope so you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.